How to use Squarespace version 7.1. So automatically, any new sites created on Squarespace is actually created using the version 7.1 instead of the old version of 7.0. So it's actually recommended to update on 7.1 because it's the most recent version of Squarespace and it has a lot more features than for it. So for example, in order to create a new one, head over first to squarespace.com. Click on this Get Started right here or log into your account. Doing this will actually prompt you to get started or create your account. Choosing here what your site will be. I'll choose in here art. Click on next. And choosing here what you want to do for your site. For example, let's choose in here the promotion of physical business and selling memberships. Let's click on next after that and you can either choose a template or use Blueprint AI. I'll choose in here some designer templates. Then choosing here your template that you wish to use. I'll choose this version. Then after that, choosing here the actual slide styles that you wish to use. On default, it will select the first preset, so choose whichever you want. Click on the Start with Design, and after that, this will set up your site altogether, and you can now create your account, and then your site that you will have earlier will be on Squarespace version 7.1. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.